Hi everybody, Mike Hoskins, CTO of Actian. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the history of Actian, where we came from. Actian Corporation is one of the largest private software companies in the world. We have products and technologies that span pretty much the entire software industry. More than 30 years of history of products being shipped to customers all over the world. We have over 10,000 customers using our operational database technology. We power applications and database and BI in almost every geography in the world. We answer the phone 24/7 in multiple languages in all the major continents in the world. So think of us as a company with extremely deep roots in the software industry, especially infrastructure software, data infrastructure software, databases, data integration, BI, data warehouses. We're about 400 people. We just live and breathe and eat data. So that's really the core DNA of Actian, and we've been doing that with great success. We have traditional businesses that generate a fantastic life and business for all the stakeholders in Actian. About 3 or 4 years ago, the team, the board, and the management team said, there's more out there to be had. What about the next 30 years? And so we looked around and saw big data and analytics as the big opportunity for future growth inside Actian. We spent almost $300 million to acquire a series of companies, and with those companies came software stacks, IP assets that I am convinced are among the most, if not the most, modern, super scaling, massively parallel next generation big data and analytics software in the marketplace. And so we've been very busy over the last couple of years assembling that portfolio into a coherent, consistent platform. We call it the Actian Analytics Platform. And that's really what we're going to market with right now. That's really where we're going to make our name and our reputation over the next 30 years. That Actian Analytics Platform is all of that magnificent, modern, next generation technology stitched together in a complete end-to-end vision and platform that allows customers to tackle that exciting new world of big data analytics. They can look at transactions and interactions and observations, the Internet of Things, anything. We can ingest data at an incredible scale. We have the fabric to fan in data from any number of sources. We can land it on the most modern next generation platforms, think Hadoop. We can push it through the pipelines, and that's what we're all doing. We're building big data and analytic pipelines. We can do all of the data preparation and data transformation, the cleansing, the fusion, the improvement of that data as we move it through the pipe and make it ready for next generation analytics. And that's, of course, the end game for all of us. Ingest that data, prepare it for a new generation of advanced analytic techniques. And that's all sorts of techniques like SQL databases so that we can do our traditional SQL. It's advanced predictive analytics. We're tickling the ideas of analytic engines, and who knows where it will go beyond those advanced analytic techniques. But that's a quick vision of what's going on in Actian, an incredibly solid 30-year foundation of traditional databases that are powering applications all over the world for tens of thousands of customers, and then using that knowledge, that power, that tailwind, if you will, from the traditional businesses to invest in the future in big data analytics and really become, we're certain, one of the leaders in this next 30-year span of big data and analytics.